Hello, and thank you for checking out this workshop. In this video, I'll be showing you how I make these colorful floral wreaths using Pentel's new dual metallic brush pens. These are the tools I'm going to use for this project. Pentel's Twist Erase mechanical pencil with their 2B Einstein lead, Pentel's high polymer eraser, a Pentel brush sign pen in black color to draw small details and to create contrast, Pentel's new dual metallic brush pens. I also use white and black paper, and finally a tape roll to draw circles with, but you can draw freehand too. The unique dual metallic ink created by Pentel now comes in a paintbrush style design. Give it a shake with the cap on before use. Then remove the cap and press the button at the end until ink flows into the tip of the brush. With just a few clicks, you can recharge the nib and have full control over the ink flow. There are 8 colors in the range, each producing different shades on dark or light colored paper. Orange with metallic yellow, violet with metallic blue, silver with metallic silver, pink with metallic pink, gold with metallic gold, blue with metallic green, black with metallic red, and green with metallic blue colors. I love the iridescent shine and the eye-catching sparkle of these colors. Before every project, I like to start with a quick warm-up exercise, and I begin with drawing some thin upstrokes. This brush pen is great for calligraphy and hand lettering projects too, because you can achieve a great contrast between thick and thin strokes. The nylon bristles are firm, but very flexible, and they retain their pointy shapes. I draw some thick upstrokes too. I practice these movements before I move on to the leaves. I love the different shades of metallic blue on the paper. After practicing some thin and thick strokes, I combine the two movements to draw these leafy shapes. These will be the building elements of my floral wreaths. First, I add just a little pressure on the pen, then increase the pressure in the middle so the nib can flexibly bend on the paper. Then I decrease the pressure and lift up the pen to create these leaf-shaped strokes. I repeat until I'm happy with how they look. My floral wreaths will be made out of leafy branches, so I'll practice a few of those too. The flexible nib allows me to draw thin hairlines when I add no pressure on the pen, and I shape the leaves by adding some pressure to the nib. This is how I paint these very satisfying strokes on the paper. I practice these strokes until I'm happy with the results. I draw a few simple examples of what other floral elements can be added later. One of my favorite features of these pens is that the different metallic pigment inks can be mixed together. This way I can create gorgeous gradient effects. I especially like the combination of silver and green, but any two colors can be used together. Let's move on to the wreaths. First, I use Pentel's Twist Erase pencil to draw a circle. This is my favorite design because it has a soft rubber grip for extra comfort and a built-in jumbo-sized eraser that comes out when I twist the pencil. I start with drawing a circle using very light pencil strokes. Then, I draw up roughly where the leaves will go around the circle. Then, using the same strokes and hand movements I already practiced in the warm-up exercise, I paint the first set of leaves following the curve of the circle. It's okay if the leaves don't turn out identical. In fact, Imperfect strokes will give the arrangement a more organic look. After the first set of leaves, I add some silver and gold to fill in the gaps on the first row. I love the shimmering effect in the light. Then I add some simple flowers to the composition. And the finishing touch. I use a black Pentel brush sign pen for the stems and small details to add contrast and definition. A design like this would work perfectly on postcards, thank you notes, or as personalized gifts. In this second design, I mixed silver with metallic green to achieve different shades of green and a brilliant gradient. I do this by touching the brush nips together and switching pens between strokes. I fill in the gaps with smaller leaves to create a balanced and even circle. I love how the metallic pink and orange colors pop in this composition. I use a Pentel brush sign pen again to add details and definition to the leaves and flowers. This pen works perfectly in combination with the dual metallic brush pens. This easy illustration makes an excellent seasonal decoration or eye-catching greeting card for any occasion. The dual metallic brush pens can be used on darker papers too. The metallic ink gives different shades and the pigments look even more striking on a black background. I used a violet pen that gives a brilliant metallic blue color, and my favorite, the silver pen, looks even brighter on black paper. I love the results. I use the lighter colors to highlight my letters and add some depth to the floral illustrations. You can finish these floral designs with a personalized message, initials, or illustrations. They are so satisfying and easy to use, and they really allow complete creative freedom of expression. Thank you for watching and happy creating!